Good evening, everyone. Once again, welcome to LinkedIn account setup class 2. So in this class, we're going to be looking at how to create a LinkedIn page and also how to publish your first LinkedIn page, or your first LinkedIn post rather. Now, in the LinkedIn account setup class 1, we've seen how to optimize your LinkedIn account. We've seen how to add your experience, how to add your achievements. So in this class, we're going to be looking at how to create a LinkedIn page and also how to publish your first LinkedIn post. Now, if you are conversant with Facebook advertisements, if you are used to running an advertisement on Facebook, you will know that for you to sponsor a post on Facebook, you need a Facebook page. So the same thing applies to LinkedIn. For you to sponsor a post on LinkedIn, you need to do what? To have a page on LinkedIn. And that is why I want to look at how to create a LinkedIn page. So I'm going to be going to the LinkedIn account. So this is a LinkedIn account. This is a LinkedIn account. So this is the home page of a LinkedIn account. So this is just an ordinary account, but it is not a page. So for you to be able to sponsor a post, you must have a page. So when you have a page, that means you have a business you want to advertise, or you have something you want people to know about. Now, we're going to be looking at how to start your first LinkedIn post, how to create your first LinkedIn post. Now, once you get to your profile, you're going to click on Start a Post. It's quite simple. Or create a post. Now, you can use a photo or you can use a video. So I want to use a photo. I'm going to click on Add Photo. Then it's going to take me to where my pictures are on my laptop. If you're using your phone, it's going to take you to where your pictures are on your phone. Then I'm going to click on the picture I want to use and click on Open. Then I'll click on Done. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on to type what I want to say about the image. Hello. I can say, hello, this is my first LinkedIn post. Then, assuming this is what I want to do, what I want to type, then I'm going to click on post. It's quite simple how to post on LinkedIn. So subsequently, if you want to always post on LinkedIn, this is how you are going to be posting on LinkedIn. Now, I want to give you assignment number 2. Now, there are different dimensions that you can use for a LinkedIn post. I'm talking about your flyer now. So your flyer can be in 1:1. What do I mean by 1:1? 1080 by 1080 pixel. 1080 by 1080 pixel. That means a square flyer. That is 1:1 or 1080 by 1080 pixel. Now, the next thing is it can as well be in another format. Now, assignment number 2 is just go on Google, search for LinkedIn posts or creative dimension. Just search for LinkedIn newsfeed post dimension. So you can either upload on 1:1, have your creative or your flyer done in 1:1 or in another dimension. So the dimension, the creative can look like what you are seeing, like our first post. So this is not 1080 by 1080 pixel. All right, so we have published our first post. Now the next thing is we want to look at, let's say I've posted, but I don't like what I posted. I want to delete my post. So the next thing is I'm going to click on the post, under your post, I'm going to click on the 3 horizontal lines. You click on 3 horizontal lines, and you're going to click on delete post. So it's going to ask you, do you want to delete? Then you click on delete. So that means the post has been deleted. So that is how to upload or how to create your first LinkedIn post and how to delete a post. So the next thing is you want to be looking at how to create your first LinkedIn page. Now, you are going to go to the top bar of your LinkedIn profile. So where you have your account, your profile, that where you have your me, you click on work. So once you click on work to start your LinkedIn page creation, you're going to scroll down and click on create a company page. It's quite simple. So you can create a company page, a brand page, or a business page, or an educational institution page. So let's say, for example, you want to create a page for someone that has a school or a university. You're going to click on education institution. So, but for the sake of this class, we're going to be looking at how to create a company page. So I'm going to click on company. So I'm going to click on company. So it's simple. So the first thing is what? You give your page a name. So I'm going to be saying clothing me, clothing me. This is like a test name. So it's saying this is going to be your LinkedIn profile URL or your public URL. So when people wants to search for your account, so if you give them, if you say, oh, our company, our LinkedIn account address is linkedin.com/clothing me. So people that are okay, fine, they can easily click on it and they are going to see your page on LinkedIn. So the next thing is what is asking if you have a website. So since you don't have a website, we're not going to be putting a website for now because it is just a test page creation. So the next thing is asking for the company details. So it's asking for the industry. So I'm going to say under design, it's asking for company size, if it is 2 to 10 or 11 to 50. If it's 11 to 50, now the employee size is how many employees do you have? Do you have 10 employees? Do you have 1 employee? Do you have 20 employees? Now, company type is asking, is it owned by you? Are you self-employed? Is it owned by government agency? So I'm going to be using sole proprietorship because let's say the clothing me brand is owned by me. Now the next thing is saying I should do what? Upload a profile logo or my logo. I'm going to click on choose file, then I'm going to navigate to where I have pictures on my phone. Let's say, for example, I want to use this image now. I'm going to click on open as my profile picture. Now, the next thing is asking for my tagline. Now, here we have a brand with difference. Now, what do we mean by tagline? Tagline is something when your name is mentioned, people can easily relate to it or relate to it that, oh, this is a tagline for this brand. Let's say, for example, MTN. When you mention MTN, everywhere you go. So that's MTN's tagline, everywhere you go. So for Glow now, it is with pride. Glow with pride. That is their tagline. So that is it about tagline. So the next thing is I'm going to be doing what? I'm going to accepting their terms and conditions. I'm going to accepting their terms and conditions. Then the next thing is I'm going to click on create page. I'm going to click on create page. Now, I guess this saying an error has occurred is directly from LinkedIn, but this is just the step-by-step method on how to create a LinkedIn page. It's quite simple. It's quite simple. So you can as well go to your account, your profile, start your page creation with your real brand name, and your page will be created within 2 to 3 minutes. So this is how to create a LinkedIn page. This is how to create a LinkedIn page. So now we've been able to see how to do what? How to create a LinkedIn page and also how to publish your first LinkedIn post.